exhausting, but I'm almost through that pipe. Can't wait to get that off. I've been waiting for that for a long time. Now that sucks. I came here with a brand new blade and it's stuck inside the pipe because of all the pressure. This was a brand new blade and it was the last one. This sucks big time. I brought the pipe down. I broke the blade. And in the meantime, I'm only left with a little one. I might continue with the wood on my ceiling. We spent 2.5 hours basically trying to get my ceiling straight, and it turned out that everything is basically not straight in this house, but I think we did a decent job. I've got a blasting headache going on today. I don't know what's happening. Might be the weather. It's 28 degrees outside. Here in the attic it's way too warm to do some work. Well, I've got this hole to basically cover, and then I've got the hole from my ceiling to cover, and then I've got the other hole to fill in my kitchen. So that's gonna happen probably not this afternoon because I don't really feel like doing that, but probably gonna do this tomorrow. So all of this need to cover it up because I can't leave a hole in my future kitchen. Something doesn't look right. My ceiling is basically descending in the corner, and that's not a good sign. I have to figure out what went wrong. I verified everything with my 2-meter blue level. You can see it from here as well, it's going downhill. According to my level and my eye, this is a very straight ceiling. I'm not done yet though, because I have to screw all those metal suspensions on the other side over there. done. The only thing missing, those babies. I need to cut them. I don't have the right equipment to do that. Bye bye. And I'm done. Good morning. A day has passed and I haven't filmed a thing. That day was yesterday, because yesterday I basically undid my whole ceiling because it wasn't really that straight, and I thought, well, I'm gonna invest 1 hour to get it straight. So I unscrewed some of the metal things and put them straight. I think after like 5 hours yesterday, I noticed something very strange. My level, I put it up like this, it's straight, but if I turn it around and put it up, it's not straight anymore. It's a great mystery to me because my level, it is straight. There's no bend in it, it is straight, we checked that. So it must be this little fucker here that's not working correctly. I don't know how that's possible, but I spent like 6 or 7 hours yesterday for nothing. So yeah. This is perfectly straight. If I turn it, there's a gap of 1 centimeter. That's not possible. This is not straight. If I turn it, it is straight. So I have no idea how this is happening, how this is possible. I don't know. I'm gonna redo my ceiling this morning.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Maybe I'm just too stupid for this kind of work. I discovered the big mistake I made with my level. I was always putting it like this to get a measurement and a reading of the bubble from my ceiling, but actually it doesn't work like this. I should always just hold it like this, and then it is a straight and good and accurate reading. Well, took us some time to figure that out, but well, I spent 2 days really working my ass off for nothing, but I learned something, and now I'm just cutting all the metal. Yeah, and that's it then. So another half hour or so and I'm gonna be finished, finally. But I'm gonna go to my buddy's place to cut the metal because I don't have the right scissors to do so. So I'm gonna take the flex. That was another long day, but I'm finally finished. I've got my ceiling ready to go for insulation and plasterboard, and honestly I'm really sick of doing this. I've spent at least the last 4 if not 5 days on my ladder. I need to go home, have something to eat, then a nice shower, and then it's bedtime. So have a good one. Bye bye. See you later. See you next time. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. Have a good night. Bye bye. Maybe I'm just too stupid for this kind of work. I highly doubt it, but there's a possibility that it's true.